Hi, hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel Axelbus Software Testing. Today we are going to see what is DevSecOps, a modern approach to software development that integrates security as a key part of the process. So let's get started. What is DevSecOps? DevSecOps stands for Development, Security and Operation, and it's a method that brings security into every part of software development process. Traditionally, security checks happens at the end after most of the work was done. But in DevSecOps, security becomes part of each step like planning, coding, building, testing, etc., releasing software, etc. The idea behind this DevSecOps is very simple. Build security from the start. This way, any issues or weaknesses can be caught and fixed early. In simple words, if you are appointed as a DevSecOps professional, your main job is to ensure that the security is a natural part of how software is built and managed. This means that from the moment an idea of a new feature is planned, you have to think about how to make it more secure. You would be collaborating closely with both the development team and the operation team to understand what they are building and how it's being built and how it will be run safely once it's released. Now let's understand the life cycle of DevSecOps. The DevSecOps life cycle is an approach that integrates security throughout each phase of the software development, ensuring the application are secure from the start to finish. First phase is planning. Security consideration starts here, where the risks are assessed and security requirements are set. Development. Secure coding practices are followed and automated tools like SAST, means static application security testing, are used to detect the vulnerabilities in code. Next phase is build phase. During the build phase, the code is compiled and packaged. Software composition analysis, that is SCA, scans open source and third party components to identify any known vulnerabilities or outdated dependencies. Our next phase is testing, automated testing, including DAST test, means dynamic application security testing. It is performed on the application to catch the runtime vulnerabilities such as SQL injection or cross-site scripting. Other tests like container scanning ensures that the application and the dependencies are secure before moving forward. And then next phase comes is release phase. Security configurations are applied to the infrastructure and deployment settings. Infrastructure as a core scanning ensures the configurations are safe, reducing risk in the deployment environments. Our next phase is deploy. At deployment, configurations and security policies are applied. Secure development tools and practices protect the applications as it goes live, and access controls are carefully managed. Operate or monitor. Continuous monitoring is essential to detect any vulnerabilities or unusual activities in real time. Incident response procedures are established, and automated alerts allow teams to respond to security incidents quickly. Next phase comes is feedback phase. This final phase involves the gathering feedback from the operations and security monitoring stages to inform future projects. Lessons learned from each lifecycle stages are integrated into the planning and subsequent releases. By incorporating security throughout the lifecycle, DevSecOps makes the security a seamless part of the development process, reducing risk and creating secure product faster. There are some benefits of DevSecOps. Better security from starts. DevSecOps adds security to every part of the development process so software builds safely from the beginning, reducing the risk and the breaches of and attacks. Faster fixes. Security issues are found and fixed early, so there are less scrambling to fix big problems later on. This saves times and keep projects on track. Lower cost. Catching issues early means companies don't have to spend lots of money fixing major problems down the line, saving cost on the longer run. Improve teamwork. DevSecOps encourages developers, security experts, and operation teams to work together, making the process smoother and more efficient. Better quality software. By building with a security in mind, the final product is more reliable and trusted by the users, which can be lead to a better reputation and happier customers. In short, DevSecOps makes software development faster, safer, and cheaper by adding security to every stage, improving teamwork and creating higher quality softwares. Then, do you want to become DevSecOps? If you are a software developer, security engineers, DevOps engineers, system administrator, or any IT professional, or quality assurance engineer, then you are good to apply for this job. You need some skills and expertise in this field, like you should know automation and scripting, like skills like Python, Bash, PowerShell to automate the security checks. You should have knowledge of CI/CD pipelines. You should know some security tools like SonarQube, Checkmax, etc. You should know cloud security. In general, if you have solid understanding of either of the development, security, or DevOps, and interested in integrating security throughout the software development lifecycle, a DevSecOps role could be good fit for you. These are some tools which you should know if you want to apply or if you want to secure the job for DevSecOps. If you want to know more about these tools, I'll make separate video on the tools which you can use as a DevSecOps. Thanks for tuning in to learn about DevSecOps. I hope this gives you clear idea of how security can strengthen the software process from the start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on DevSecOps and security. Till then, happy testing. Bye bye.